Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yuka app. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will click on Yuka app and you will enter. Here in this page you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.